of the gold film by the Thomas Edison in that particular his experiment. So after that, this surface engineering comes into the picture, and in 1983, the Vargas was the amongst first developed the plasma and ion modification equipment for coating of these uh, coating over the surface. And this 1960 approximately ion planting was developed, and this also gives you the some plasma assisted coating in that particular deposition. And early 1970, the means film deposition and plasma process is generated. So this is the very brief surface engineering thing. So what is the meaning of surface engineering? Means you can modify the surface. You are not modifying the whole bulk material. You are modifying only the surface, like coconut shell. Inside that particular coconut shell, that coconut is very softer, but outside it is very hard. So you are not modifying the complete, you are modifying only the surface. So the definition of the surface engineering is modification of near surface structure by changing the chemistry of the surface, property of the surface, substrate surface, and also due to that particular change, you can achieve the superior performance and durability, you increase the durability. So this surface engineering combines the chemistry, physics, and mechanical engineering with metallurgy and material science, and it contributes virtually all engineering disciplines, whatever the discipline you are, either in nanotechnology, so or whatever you are. This surface engineering plays a very important role. So you can change the material. It can be by the giving the metallurgical or mechanical, physical or chemical means. So you can produce a very thick layer to thin layer of the coating over the surface to change that particular structure. So these are the few coatings, multi-layer coatings, nitride coatings, and some other kinds of the application we just use it. So this basically it is coating is either in the form of metallic coating, non-metallic coating, polymer coating, whatever the coating you can use it to enhance the surface only. You are not ever changing any substrate. So why surface engineering is important in that particular aspects in tribology? So any component, so engineering component usually fails when its surface cannot be adequate with stand with the external forces, and these external forces may be the environmental or some other conditions, also humidity or some other temperature, pressure. So that sustain that particular external surface of any component. That's why the surface engineering is very important. So it improves the functionality of an existing product. Is only one aim of the surface engineering. That is the only thing. You can improve the functionality of the surface so that your surface behaves like a super hydrophobic surface. So like Professor Murthy said that he developed some coatings which is self-cleaning coating in the glass surface. So why that is also a part of surface engineering. So this surface engineering can generate the functionalized coating also, so that you can make that particular more hydrophobic or super hydrophobic surfaces over the thing, so that your dust will not stick because it can roll over the surface. So that's why the surface engineering is very important. So this due to that particular surface engineered component gives you the high product life, improve surface resistance, satisfy the customer need, reduce the maintenance, improve the appearance also, improve the solderability, and metallize the plastic component surface also. Means you have a plastic component, and over that you just coat the metal one. So that is also used nowadays. So that is a numerous applications of the surface engineering, and the form of cutting tools, forming dies, decoration purpose, automotive industry, biomedical industry to make the femur head or this femur coating of the femur head with the hip and knee joint. So these are the various applications of the surface engineering where you can perform a nano coating only. Yet, even though hard disk is also whatever we are using, that is a 10 nanometer coating, and how you can improve the performance of your hard disk, that is also very